This episode of Michigan Mud Outdoors is brought to you by our lead hunting experts and members of the Michigan Mud family, Alex and Delaney. Alex and Delaney have spent the last decade honing their outdoor skills and becoming one with nature. The 2026 spring turkey season has finally arrived. Today in the woods we have a team of 4 that's going to spread out to cover this 180-acre parcel near Davison, Michigan. Opening weekend this year is quite wet, with rain showers scattered throughout the morning and afternoon. Temperatures were hovering around 65 degrees. Alex's game camp footage showed that the turkey were out and active throughout many of the southern Michigan spots. After reviewing all the footage, we determined that there was a massive tom on this property ready for the harvest. Alex and Mike are planning on sitting in a ground blind overlooking a food plot.
Good luck.
Delaney and Austin are planning on moving towards the back half of the parcel, spotting, stalking, and utilizing natural ground cover to get the job done. This 180-acre parcel is set up for ground blinds, elevated blinds, and many stalking opportunities. The back 60 acres of the property is separated by a natural creek, leaving a nice buffer between Team 1 and Team 2. Delaney and Austin sit down next to a pond in a low spot on the property, with hopes of calling in a turkey and catching him as he crests the ridge leading towards the pond. The next rainstorm is on its way, and they're going to hunker down here and wait it out. The rain made it a lot harder to hear, and it gave us doubts that we would be successful today. But then, out of nowhere, a turkey decided to show his face. The turkey are here and they are responding to our calls, but the rain has got them a little spooky and they are staying just outside of shooting distance.
Mike. You're right here. He's coming back. He's coming back to He was right below that ridge line. I wish I would have known because I lost him. We could have got out and went and got him. He's just sitting right there. But he's now going back that way. Oh, yeah. So just be careful when you're behind him, moving around a lot.
Okay.
He's like, especially at the backdrop, they can see him there pretty well.
Okay.
Should we go to that ridge so we can see, like, that ball?
Very safe bet.
The weather finally gave the teams a break from all the rain. Delaney and Austin had a flock of turkey run through very fast, leaving no shot. They decided to pick up and move back towards the creek in an attempt to cut them off. At the same time, Alex and Mike are getting some action of their own.
He's right there somewhere.
I know. I'm trying to get eyes on him.
Oh, here he comes. See him?
Yeah, see him now.
No, almost the same place.
Yep, agreed.
You see him?
Yep, I do.
Oh, he's coming.
Where?
You got this one. Did?
That's all.
Man, he was really coming, wasn't he?
Hey, it was. Dude, the fucking 3.5 inch magnums. Insane. You see that kick me?
Yes.
Oh, he's a big boy. Yeah. Look at him. What a beautiful bird. Beautiful bird.
Beard. Oh, congrats,
Nice.
man.
Nice. What a good bird.
You really called that one in.
Yeah, he came right on a dime, dude. That was cool.
Your combination worked.
Once he located us, man, I don't think he even saw us.
Great job, man.
I'll get it done, bud.
Oh, okay. You sure?
Yeah, just.
It's a good one to mount, Delaney. A good one to mount. Yeah, it is.
That done?
Yeah.